Every great bottle starts right here. Only perfectly ripe fruit is selected. Quality begins before harvesting starts. Handle every watermelon with care. Factory delivery is ready. Fresh harvest begins its journey to processing. Receiving team is ready. The watermelon juice manufacturing process begins inside the factory.
Only premium fruit moves forward. Strict inspection ensures consistent watermelon juice quality.
Clean fruit means cleaner juice. Bubble washing removes impurities while protecting the fruit. Every surface must be spotless. Production line is fully synchronized.
Only approved watermelons continue to the next manufacturing stage.
Perfect cuts. Every single time.
Seeds out, pure fruit forward. That's the freshest batch today.
Fresh watermelon pulp forms the heart of every bottle.
Flow rate looks perfect.
Filtration creates a smoother watermelon juice base.
Mixing cycle has started. Formula confirmed. Continue dosing.
Every ingredient is measured with precision for consistent watermelon juice quality. Texture looks smooth and even. Continuous blending creates a perfectly balanced watermelon juice.
Flow pressure is stable.
The process moves smoothly without interrupting production. Line is back in production. A fully sanitized system is ready for the next production cycle. Cleaning cycle initiated. Every production line is cleaned before the next batch begins.
Fresh filter installed. Tank interior looks spotless. Automated tank cleaning maintains food-grade hygiene.
Sanitization is progressing normally.
Pressure is holding perfectly. Homogenization improves the consistency of every batch of watermelon juice.
Temperature locked. Process complete.
Cooling cycle is stable. Rapid cooling preserves the fresh taste of watermelon juice.
Tank level is right on target.
Sample secured for inspection. Routine sampling verifies every production batch.
All quality standards are confirmed. Approved. Send it to filling.
Everything looks clear here. Yes, the flow is steady. Sterilization cycle complete. Clean bottles protect the quality of every watermelon juice batch.
Fill level is exactly right.
Proper sealing keeps the watermelon juice fresh and protected. Every seal is secure. Every bottle is verified before entering the labeling process.
Inspection passed. Keep it moving.
Label position is perfect.
Batch code verified. Every bottle is fully traceable from production to delivery.
Automated inspection ensures consistent production quality. Every bottle meets our standard.
Pack integrity looks excellent. Protective wrapping prepares the bottles for carton packing.
Cartons are ready for final packing.
Stack height is on schedule.
Robotic palletizing improves speed and consistency.
Storage location assigned.
Wrapping cycle complete. Every pallet is secured before internal transport.
Loading bay is ready.
The finished watermelon juice is prepared for dispatch.
Final shipment is secured. Every finished shipment is carefully prepared for delivery.
Next destination, global markets.
The journey continues beyond the factory to customers around the world.
Great work today. See you on the next production run.
Behind every bottle is the dedication of a skilled production team.
And that's how modern factories produce premium watermelon juice from start to finish. Thank you for exploring the complete watermelon juice manufacturing journey.